software testing, live project training, day 2, software testing live project training today, day 2. So, day 2, we are going to discuss about SDLC and what are the ways of software testing. Yesterday we discussed as what is software testing. Yes, this is yesterday what we discussed. What is software? Collection of programs or set of executable programs in a computer. And what is testing? Comparison between expected value and actual value. And what is software testing? It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects or bugs. Error, defect, comma, bug, and a failure. What is error? While developing the application, if programmer find out any mistake in the coding part is called error. What is defect and bug? Expected value not equal to actual value, call defect or bug. Failure during utilization, if customer facing any issue which is called failure. Next, project and product. If any application developed for specific client requirement is called project. If any application developed for enter the market requirement is called product. And software testing two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. This is what we discussed yesterday. Let me continue with the same. Software testing two ways. How many ways of software testing? Two ways, such as one is manual testing and second one is automation. Everyone, automation testing. Once again, software testing two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. What is mean by the manual testing? What is mean by the automation testing? Very simple. Everyone, what is mean by the manual testing? What is mean by the automation testing? You know, you know, testing engineer testing an application without any help only by human interactions are called manual testing. Same testing engineer testing application by the help of tools and softwares, nothing but call as automation testing. Everyone, tools and as well as software. Do one thing. I'll show you one small diagram to understand about. I'll show you one small diagram. Just try to understand the definition of manual testing and as well as definition of automation testing. Once again, software testing two ways. One is manual testing and second one is automation testing. Manual testing also testing engineer required. Automation testing also testing engineer required. But the difference is, see this diagram. Testing engineer without any help only by human interactions. Human interactions called manual testing. So they will test application. Automation also same, testing engineer, and by the help of tools and softwares, nothing but call as automation testing. Testing an application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Everyone, software testing two ways, manual and automation. What is mean by the manual? What is mean by the automation? Testing engineer testing an application without any help, only by human interactions are called manual. Same testing engineer testing an application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Let me write. What is manual testing definition? What is automation testing definition? It's a process of testing an application by human interactions, nothing but call as manual testing and automation testing. It's a process of testing an application by help of tools and software, nothing but call as automation testing. Once again, software testing, how many ways? Two ways. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. It's a process of testing an application by human interactions are called manual testing. It's a process of testing an application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. What are the tools available for automation testing? Selenium one automation tool, and Tosca one automation tool, and JMeter one automation tool. All are automation tools to perform automation testing. Why automation required? Why not manual? See, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10. What is output? 20. 20 into 2. What is output? 40. Now 40 minus 56.7, 34 into, everyone, what is output for this? What is output for this? Yeah, so very good. But for this, manually not possible. Yes, this one not possible. I hope you understood, guys. I hope you understood. I mean, manually not possible. Definitely, we need calculator. Calculator is a automation. Got it, my point? Calculator is a what? Automation. Once again, everyone, just try to understand here. Every project should be starts with manual. Then we can go to automation. Only manual not possible, and only automation also not possible. So we have to implement both. What are the both? Manual and as well as automation. Manual and as well as what? Automation. Once again, software testing two ways. One is a manual testing and second one is automation testing. What is mean by the manual? What is mean by the automation? Testing an application, testing an application without any help, only by human interactions are called manual testing. Testing an application by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Fine. Next we can go to next topic. Go to SDLC. SDLC stands for everyone. SDLC stands for yes, software development lifecycle. Anyone? What are the SDLC steps? Either right or wrong, not a problem. If you know any idea about SDLC steps, just give me. If you know any idea about the SDLC steps, just give me your answers in chat box. If you know any idea about the SDLC steps, give me your answer in chat box. Very good. Very good. Okay, I'll tell you guys. SDLC up to now you heard about that requirement gathering, plan, design, coding, and as well as testing. But real time, how to implement SDLC step by step, I'll explain. Step by step, I'll explain. Okay, with images, I'll try to show something else. I'll explain about that. First of all, SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Either small size company or big size company, any company to develop the application, they have to follow step by step activities. All step by step activities nothing but call as SDLC. All step by step activities nothing but call as what? SDLC. So try to understand what I'm explaining here. The first of all, SDLC starts with software bidding. What is mean by the software bidding? Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Once again, everyone, SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. One small example, we are just imagination. We are all are working in one company. ICICI is our client. He is looking for mobile app development. He is looking for what? Mobile app development. So mobile app development to confirm the project from our company, CEO will go to ICICI, discuss about the project for confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Understand my point? Everyone, once again, software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. CEO stands for what? CEO stands for what? Chief Executive Officer. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the same CEO to select a project manager. Once again, software bidding, our company CEO go to client side. In case if ICICI Bank is our client, from our CEO go to ICICI Bank, they will confirm the project. For confirmation, making agreement in between software company and corresponding client. Next one, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. Once again, everyone, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. Because without project manager, we not able to implement the project. What he will do? He will conduct a meeting with all project managers in the company. He will conduct a meeting with all project managers in the company. Based on that, who are available on bench means who are completed previous project, who are waiting for next project, who are on bench, and who will have good experience in the banking, because it is a banking project now. Who will have good experience in the banking domain. That person he will select as a that person he will select as a project manager. Once again, everyone, to select the project manager, he will conduct the meeting. The meeting nothing but call as kickoff meeting. Who are selecting the kickoff meeting? Kickoff meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select a project manager. Why it is called kickoff meeting? Why it is called kickoff meeting? Because everyone, because any kind of project startup meeting can be called kickoff meeting. Any kind of any kind of startup meeting can be called kickoff meeting. Who are conduct the kickoff meeting? CEO to select the project manager. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Once again, the first of all, software bidding. Company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. After kickoff meeting, this meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select project manager. To select what? Project manager. Next, after project initiation note, once project manager got selected, he will prepare, everyone, he will prepare information mail or document. Just imagination, if I got selected as a project manager, everyone, if I got selected as a project manager, if I got selected as a project manager, I have to inform to my team. I have to inform to my team. To inform to the team, everyone, to inform to the team, I'll prepare one information mail. What kind of mail? Hi team, I got selected as a project manager for ICICI Bank. It's a 1 year of project, and so and so budget, so and so duration. Like that, I'll prepare one mail which is called project initiation note. It's maybe kind of document, or it's maybe kind of note. but which is called as project initiation note. Nothing but information about the project. Who will confirm the project? CEO. Who are conducting kickoff meeting? CEO to select the project manager. And next, project initiation or information note which is prepared by project manager. And after, requirement gathering. Who are everyone? Requirement gathering. Who are collecting requirements? Who are collecting requirements from the client? You know, not CEO, not project manager. One small question. I want to buy one mobile. I want to buy one mobile. I am going to a mobile showroom. Big C or some many other showroom, Samsung or showroom. Who will come immediately? The showroom CEO will come or manager will come? No. Every showroom salesperson will be there. He is expert to convince the customer to collecting requirements from the customer, right? Same like that. IT company, we have the separate team which is called business analyst or system analyst, which is called what? Business analyst or system analyst. Once again, everyone, requirement gathering, requirement gathering. So business analyst and system analyst will collecting requirements from the customer, and requirements prepared as a two types of documents such as BRS and as well as SRS. BRS stands for business requirement specification. SRS stands for software requirement specification. Once again, everyone, requirement gathering. Who are collecting requirement? Domain experts and also called as business analyst and also called as system analyst. The both people will collecting requirements from the customer and prepare two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. BRS stands for business requirement specification. SR stands for software requirement specification. Both are requirement document, but the difference is BRS contains entire the project requirement. SRS contains only work related requirement. How? One example I'll tell you. Business analyst will go to client side, collecting all requirements from the customer. Requirements prepared as a BRS. But developers, they're looking for development requirements. Testing engineers, they're looking for testing requirements. Hardware team, they're looking for hardware requirements. So what they will do? From the BRS, they will divide development requirements separately as development SRS. From BRS, they will divide testing requirements separately as testing SRS. Hardware requirements separately as hardware SRS, like that, based on one BRS. Everyone, based on one BRS, number of SRS documents will be prepared. Based on one BRS, number of SRS documents will be designed. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Once again, requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst, two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. Every software engineer, to understand requirements, they will start analyzing SRS, because separate SRS for development requirement, separate SRS for testing requirement, it will be available. And after that, let me show that a kickoff meeting after project initiation note. Once again, what is first one? Software bidding. Our CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Next, kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. After project initiation or information note, which is prepared by project manager. And after requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst, BRS and as well as SRS. And after plan, project plan will be prepared by project manager. Once again, everyone, project plan will be prepared by project manager. In order to complete the project as per the requirement, team size, and how many developers required for this project, how many testing engineers required for this project, who are selected, and what is the roles and responsibilities for the team, and every information will be prepared by project manager with the help of development manager and as well as test manager. With the help of what development manager and as well as tester manager. Yes. So plan will be prepared by project manager, and after design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Everyone, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. Once again guys, design done by architect team and also called as technical team. Two types of design documents such as high level design and as well as low level design. Design done by architect team and also called as technical team. After design, next one, coding. First of all, design, let me explain. Based on the requirements, based on the plan, design done by architect team. One question I'll ask you, design, is it compulsory or optional? Design, is it compulsory or optional? Compulsory. One small example. Just I am the builder. Imagination, just I am the builder. You are my client. You are asking builder, start construction for duplex house with 3 BHK. Start construction for duplex house with 3 BHK. So you're paying one CR money, you 1 CR cash, but you're not giving design. I mean, what kind of facing, east facing or west facing? First entrance hall, where is the hall? Where is the dining hall? Where is the kitchen? Where is the first bedroom? Where is the steps? If you give the design, as per the design, as a builder, I can start the construction, right? Without design, start construction for 3 BHK, I'll pay cash. Is it possible? No. Same, developer to develop the application. Developer to develop the application. Developer to develop the application. Architect will design. Architect will design project as two types of documents such as high level design and low level design. High level design and as well as what? Low level design. Yes, high level design and low level design. What is mean by the high level design? What is mean by the low level design? Module wise comes into high level design. Every module step by step requirement nothing but comes into low level design. I'll show you guys practically what is mean by the high level design, what is mean by the low level design. For example, I'll open Mercury Travels application. I'll open what? Mercury Travels application. See guys, in Mercury Travels application, holidays is a module, high level design. Flights is a module, high level design. Hotels is a module, high level design. All are called high level design. All are called what? High level design. Login is high level design. Registry is called high level design. Understand my point? Yes. Now login contains email ID, password, everyone. Login button, everything comes into low level design. If registry is high level design, it contains first name, last name, email address, set password, everything comes into low level design. Understand my point? I need confirmations, yes or no. Yes. So design done by architect team. After design, next coding. Who will write the code? Who will write the code? Coding done by programmer. After that, coding, everyone, coding done by programmer. Yes, coding done by programmer by using different technology such as Java, Python, C Sharp. By using different technology, programmer start writing the coding. By using different technology, programmer start writing the coding. Once again, everyone, from starting onwards, once I'll repeat that. The first of all, software bidding. Our company CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. Next, project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by the project manager. Next, requirement gathering. Everyone, requirement gathering. Business analyst and system analyst, two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. Plan will be prepared by the project manager. Design done by architect team and technical team. Two types of design document such as high level design and low level design. After, coding done by programmer by using programmer also they have to understand requirement. Programmer also they have to understand plan, they have to understand design. Then programmer start writing the coding for application development. Once coding is done, after, everyone, once coding is done, after testing, who will test application? Who will test application? You will give answer as testing engineer. You will give answer as what? Testing engineer. Yes, you will give answer as a testing engineer. No, but not by testing engineer. Not by testing engineer. I'll tell you. First of all, one small point, guys. One student, they're writing exam and examination hall. One small example. One student, they're writing exam and examination hall. Once exam is completed, answer paper before giving to invigilator. Answer paper before giving to invigilator. Same student will cross check, right? Whether answer is correct or not. Yes, same student will cross check whether answer is correct or not, which is called which is called white box testing. Understand my point? Once again, who are writing the exam in examination hall, answer paper before giving to invigilator, same student will cross check, right? After, invigilator will check. Same happen in the IT companies. Once coding is completed, who will write the code? Programmer, na? Same programmer before start testing engineer job. They will test on coding part, nothing but call as white box testing with two levels such as unit testing and as well as integration testing. Unit testing and as well as what? Integration testing. After our job, after our job, black box testing. Black box testing, two levels are there, such as system testing and as well as user acceptance testing. Don't confuse, very simple. Whenever coding is completed, before start testing engineer job, first of all, programmer testing on coding part which is called as white box, and after testing engineer testing on application nothing but call as black box. Everyone, once again, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front end application is called black box testing. Is called what? Black box testing. Programmer, who will perform? Programmer, because programmer only they will write the coding na. Same programmer testing on coding is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front end application is called black box. I will show you practically what is white box, what is black box. I open that Merck Travels application here by using code. Who will write the code? Everyone. This is the backend code. While developing the application, this backend code will be prepared by the programmer. Same programmer testing on coding part is called white box. See, front end. This is front end now. Testing engineer testing on front end application is called black box. So our job is called black box testing. Everyone, once again, programmer after completion of code to confirm whether code is correct or not is called white box. But as a testing engineer, we have test a front end application, how this login working or not, register working or not, this calendar working or not, this list box working or not, like that we have to check front end application which is called black box testing. As a testing engineer, our job black box. Without any coding skills, we are testing on front end application called black box. And white box testing, two levels are there: unit testing, integration testing. Black box testing also two levels are there, such as system testing and user acceptance testing. System testing and user acceptance testing. I hope you understood, guys. Once again, everyone, programmer testing on coding part is called white box. Testing engineer testing on front end application is called black box. So whenever I'll show you my diagram. Whenever coding is completed, testing, I mean unit testing, integration testing, system testing, unit testing, integration testing, which is comes into the white box. System testing and user acceptance testing comes into black box. And our job, finding defects. Black box testing, what is our job? Finding defects. Whenever it is done, then application we can release to customer. Whenever all activities are completed, then application release to customer. After release to customer, if customer facing any issues, then provide support and as well as maintenance. Once again, then provide what to what? Support and maintenance. After deliver to customer, if customer facing any issues, then provide support and as well as maintenance. Yes, once again, release to customer. After release to customer, if customer facing any issues, then provide what to what? Support and as well as maintenance. Support and as well as what? Maintenance. Once again, everyone, try to understand from starting onwards. The first of all, software bidding. Our CEO go to client side, confirm the project. Kickoff meeting. This meeting will be conducting by the CEO to select the project manager. project initiation note or information note, which is prepared by the project manager, just information of the project. Next, requirement gathering, business analyst and system analyst. Two types of requirement documents such as BRS and SRS. After plan will be prepared by project manager, and design done by architect team. Two types of design such as high level design and low level design. Coding done by the programmer, coding done by the programmer, and after application released, I mean testing, white box and black box. Programmer testing is called white box, testing engineer testing is called black box. Next, uh, I mean our job finding defects under the black box. Finally, application release to customer. If customer facing any issues, then provide support and maintenance. Finally, we can provide what to what? Support and maintenance. So I want to ask questions. Please give me reply in chat box, everyone. First question. Selenium tool comes into manual testing or automation testing? Selenium tool comes into manual testing or automation testing? Yes, very good. It is comes into automation testing. Very good. Next question. Two types of requirement documents, BRS, SRS. As a software testing engineer or software developer, to understand the project requirement, which one you have to analyze? I mean, BRS or SRS, which one you have to follow? BRS or SRS? Yes, SRS. SRS. BRS will follow high level team. Next question. Uh, Design, two types of design documents. What are the names? Design, two types of design documents. What are the names? Yes, high level design, low level design. Next, programmer also, before start our job, programmer also will test on coding part, which is called good, good. Yes, I'm very happy with your response, guys. Almost everyone is responding. Yes, is called white box testing. Everyone, it's called what? White box testing. Next, testing engineer testing on front end application is called what type of testing? Testing engineer testing on front end application is called what type of testing? Called black box testing. Yes, black box. Finally, one question. To test application as a software testing engineer or as a QA, coding skills required or not required? To test application, to test application, coding skills required or not required? Not required. Not required. Very good. Now, everyone, uh, so tomorrow we can continue. I mean, further topics. Tomorrow we can continue. Before that, once again, I'm repeating yesterday what I given that I'm showing what are the benefits we can get. See, once again, I'm repeating. If any new students are there for today, this is a manual testing live project. You can get 100% free classes for 25 days, not for 1 or 2 days. 25 days you can attend as a free classes from basic to advanced level, along with live project you can learn, and every day 1 hour session. Oh, 1 minute. Yes, every day 1 hour session, that will be 7 to 8, and every day same link, same time, and you can learn with agile methodology and Jira tool, and test management tool and bug tracking tool also you can learn, like a Jira and something. And but recordings and notes are chargeable, I told you already. I mean, not that much of thousands, okay, just 400 or 500 they will charge for notes, because you are attending some meeting, Zoom meeting or go to meeting, that will be chargeable. That charge they will take if you want the notes. But class is live 100% free. But take the notes, guys, don't think about the 400 something. In future I'll share the, within 2 to 3 days I'll share the link how to get the notes, okay. And every week Monday to Saturday classes, and every week I want to take mock interviews, and I'll help you for resume preparation, and after completion of course I'll help you for the job assistance. And tomorrow I'll create the WhatsApp group, and I'll share you in the group. Tomorrow I'll create the WhatsApp group, I'll share in the group. So while working, if you have any doubts and questions, I mean while practicing, if you have any doubts, directly you can interact with me also. And if you have any doubts and questions, every day after class, I'll wait for few minutes to clarify your doubts. Now, any doubts, any questions, please ping me your questions in chat box. If you have any doubts and questions, yes, every day, I mean, everyone, first 10 days you can learn theoretical. After I'll start the live project. Live project means in my company, earlier my team, uh, how they are worked the same projects I'll give you. Size 3, 25 days you can learn manual. After manual, then we can go to automation. It will take minimum 1 month to complete the manual, then we can go to automation. Yes, but who are attending regularly, for those students only we can give something support. No rush me, no worry. Tomorrow once again SDLC I'll repeat before go to next topic. Automation course fees details you can contact to management, but not now. Whenever manual testing is done, then so still we have the time. No worry about that. Yes, while practicing, I'll also will help you. I'll create the WhatsApp group. Coding not required for testing engineer. Certificate and those details we can contact to management regarding that. You got the link na, through that mail or through that number you can contact. Yes, if you're from non-technical background also, 100% you're eligible to learn software testing. Jyoti, After 25 days, only on manual, not possible. Definitely you have to add automation. That will be good market. Yes, Mavidala, better to contact the management regarding that. BRS, SRS, both are requirement document. BRS is a high level design, SRS is a low level design. Amol, so after bidding time, they will confirm about the project by discussing about the duration and about our team and budgets and everything. Course duration, manual testing 1 month, and later automation we can start. Automation is not free, it's a chargeable. Yes, if you have 5 to 6 years of career gap, no worry. And I'll explain about that healthcare domain and e-commerce online shopping applications. If you perform, I mean, in the class, if you performing well, if you reply well, we can refer to some of the companies. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We can continue tomorrow. Same time, same link. Don't miss the class. You can share this information to your friends because maybe this month only institute people they can provide the free course. After it will manual listing also chargeable later. So don't miss this opportunity. Please inform to your friends also to attend the free manual class. Thank you. Tomorrow same time, same link. Don't miss the class. Everyday class is very important, but don't attend for time pass. Attend for seriously to get the job. 100% I can provide the good opportunity. Thank you.